So today I'm going to be fitting some roof rails to the van. Right guys, so today's job is fitting some roof rails and then eventually some bars across the top that will hold the solar panels in place. I am planning on having some lighting or cameras installed to these, but I'll have to do that in the future. Quite a simple process. Cleaned it all down, removed the little nuts off the roof with the exception of these ones. There's 4. And let's start at the back. Okay, so located that first hole. Not tight, just in. Again. Okay, so they're all in, they just need tightening. Okay, so a bit of silicone is going to go into these holes. Not particularly a brand I'm familiar with. So the roof rails came with all the fixings required, even the silicone, and a 5mm Allen key. That's used to remove 3 of the 4 on each side of the grommets in the roof. Some of mine were already removed from a previous owner, obviously had a roof rack. I was aware of that and I'd ordered some to fill in the gaps. But the roof rails now only require that one of those grommets at the 4 on each side be left. So I've got a few spares. So it comes with instructions, very simple. I'm not 100% sure they were the right way round, but I've got the bars on the right way round with the right bits. Silicone instructions, and those bits there are to do with the wind bars when I fit them. Okay, so to finish the first rail I just need to put these little clips on. Look a bit cheap and tacky, but pop these in. Yeah, I can't see that doing a lot, apart from the appearance from 50 yards looking okay. Okay, so they're nice and firm, both sides, all the caps in. Just offering up these wind bars. Not tightened them up, not put the rubber feet protectors in. These are going to be what I'm going to mount the solar panels to. Come to that in a future video. I've just put the one on for the moment, there are 2. So there's a close-up of the roof rails. Now I'm not one for spending a fortune on awnings. They can cost, I've seen them upwards of £1,000 in the past, but this could offer an easy way to just loop on a very simple awning using elasticated ball and loop through the eyelets of a cheap tarp. Okay, these roof bars, wind bars, as I've seen them referred to, have a rubber strip that slides in and out on the top. Now that can be removed, it provides a bit of grip, but it leaves a small T-track, and I was able to locate some T-bolts that fit nicely in there, so that when it comes to securing things to it, it won't be a problem. They actually look quite smart, but more importantly they will be quite functional.